Hey there, it's Gretchen Coley with the Coley Group at Tate, and today I'm with my trusted partner, Paul Normant from Homeside Financial, and we're talking about lending. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
We are about 14 to 15 weeks out of COVID-19 and everybody thinking that the world is ending. And for a lot of people, there have been a lot of traumas. Lending has had its ups and downs. So Paul, tell us a little bit about where we are in the market right now when it comes to mortgages.
Absolutely. So as everybody knows, rates have never been lower than where they are today. We're in a great position, for buyers to take advantage of this market. That being said, we have seen some guidelines and different things, adapt with the way people are working and some of the furloughs and people being laid off from work. That being said, we're well prepared to kind of help you navigate this ever-changing market.
So if you're in a situation where you are furloughed and you're worried about kind of where you are, what should those people be doing first?
So the first step would be, trying to reach out to the creditors that you have now. Go ahead and reach out to them. Let them know that you need help. With the CARES Act, the way it's set up is they're going to help you.
Yeah.
And so, that's going to keep you from going 30 days late on a credit card or a mortgage or things like that are going to keep you from being able to buy in the future. So if you have any sort of financial hardship, reach out to those creditors directly before just ignoring the issue and going late. So
being proactive is a really important thing if you are in a situation where you're concerned or if, there's some interruption in your pay. For those of you who are in situations where maybe you're thinking about buying a home, or you feel like you have outgrown the house that you're in because now you're working from home all the time and your kids are there and you're looking at making a move, how quickly are people able to move through the process at this point?
So we, on average, close our loans in 21 days. And we see this huge influx of demand. And the demand was already really high from before. But a lot of people are starting to get out again. They're starting to want to buy. They're starting to want to, look at homes for them and their family. And so with that being said, we really need to make sure that you're in the best position to make an offer in this uber competitive space.
It is still extremely competitive out there. We're selling just as many houses as we're putting on the market, and a lot of houses are selling off market. So just making sure you're ready to go and you've got your situation intact. When it comes to jumbo financing on higher mortgages, what are you seeing there? Because I know that was a little up and down in the beginning.
So yeah, for sure. So just so everyone knows what a jumbo loan is, it's anything above the conforming limit of 510, 400. And one of the reasons why that market really changed when COVID first hit was those loans aren't backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which is the government. So they're a little bit riskier for lenders, and they're overlays that different banks put on those types of programs to try to lower that risk on their end. And we saw a lot of banks increase those overlays. So at Homeside, we really made a conscious effort to not do that, to be able to, be completely transparent throughout the process and let buyers know exactly what they needed from the beginning. And so we haven't really changed as much as a lot of other companies have. But if you're in the market for a jumbo loan, it's important to know what those overlays are going to be before you go under contract, whether they're your minimum credit score, minimum down payment, property types such as acreage, things like that, or even something as simple as reserves. How much money do you have to have in the bank after closing? And so we also have programs where we can kind of help you circumvent the jumbo market.
We just did that with one of our deals.
Yes. In case it doesn't, you're not going to fit into that bucket.
Yeah.
Which is okay. There's a lot of great programs to help avoid that. So, and if down payment's an issue too on the jumbo side, we have a 100% financing program. Wow. That will, allow you to go up to $1 million and take advantage of some of the properties that are out there.
That's a great program. Well, thank you, Paul, so much for this market update. We appreciate you coming by. One of our trusted partners, all the contact information will be below. Just let us know if you have any questions. We're here to answer them for you and navigate this tricky market with you. See you soon.
Bye, everybody.